Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to find and update one document in a MongoDB collection using Go application. I am going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for adding my code. So first I am going to do a Go mod init. Then I am going to add the dependencies. Go get we have added all the Mongo driver dependencies. Now let's go and get the go.env. Okay, so we have successfully added all the dependencies. Now I'm going to add a .env file where I'm going to add the connection string. I'm going to call the environment variable as MongoDB_URI, and this is where we are going to add the connection string. I have logged into my MongoDB account. Click connect. We are going to connect from the application, so click drivers. Already the Go driver is selected and already we have installed the driver also, so copy the connection string. Paste the connection string here. We need to replace this password with the actual password. I have updated the password and saved the file. Now I am going to add my application code. Okay, I'm going to call it as FindUpdate.go. Okay, package main. Then going to import all the required dependencies. Context, OS, T, log, github.com/go/go.env. Okay, go.mongodb.org/mongo driver/mongo. Paste it and modify. Here I'm going to add options. Here I'm going to change it to visa. Okay, I have added all the dependencies. So what we are going to do is we are going to find and replace the student document in the students collection, which is part of the university DB. So first I am going to create a student structure. Type student struct student ID, which is going to be an int. Then it's going to be the name, which is going to be a string. Name. Next age, which is going to be an int. Okay. Next it's going to be gender, again, which is going to be string. Gender. Next it's going to be grade, again it's going to be string. Then grade. Then it's going to be marks, which is the map. Okay, these are marks. Okay, the structure is now ready. So now I'm going to add my function main. First we are going to load the .env file. Error not equal to null. We are going to print that. No .env file found. Okay, then we are going to get the URI was.getEnv, and then we need to provide the environment variable name, which is going to be MongoDB_URI. Okay, then we are going to check URI is null. Okay, then we are going to print log.fatal. We are going to give the message environment variable MongoDB_URI has to be set. Okay, all good. Then we are going to get the client mongo.connect. First we need to give the context, then the options.client.apply URI to give the URI. Okay, if error not equal to null, we are just going to panic. Okay, then we are going to add a differ function. Okay, here we are going to do the client dot disconnect. We need to pass on the context. Error not equal to null, again we are going to panic. Okay, so all good. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to find and update. Okay, so for that we need to pass the filter for finding it. Okay, so filter to give it as bson.d. Okay, so I'm going to update the student with ID 137. Okay, this is going to be my filter. Then the update. Okay, so here again bson.d. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to push one additional mark. Okay, so I'm going to use the push operator. Okay, then bson.d. Okay, so here we are going to push to the marks array. Okay, so again bson.d. Okay, so here we are going to push the science marks. Okay, which I'm going to push as 89. Okay, so this is going to my update. Okay, then I wanted to print the document after it is updated, so I'm going to pass on the ops. Okay, so I'm going to set the options, so that I will get from options dot find and update. Okay, and then it's going to be set return document. I'm going to give options dot after. Okay, because I want the updated document. So they perform all the operations against the students collection, which is part of the university DB. Okay, so database, it's going to be university. Okay, then collection, it's going to be students. Okay, so now it's all good. So we want to decode and get the data in the student structure format. So I'm going to create a variable student, which is of student struct. Okay, so now we are going to execute the find one and update. Okay, so what we are going to do is dot find one and update. Okay, to which we are going to first pass the context, then the filter, then the update, then the ops, then we are going to decode, and we are going to pass the student pointer to it. Okay, all good. So if error not equal to null, again we are going to panic. Okay, so now we are going to print the student. So what we are going to do is we're going to print it in the JSON Marshall. Okay, we are going to pass student, no, false. Okay, so now we are going to print it, println. So it's in JSON format, so I'm just going to convert it to string and print it. Okay, to save the changes. All good. Now I'm going to execute the program. We could see that the program got executed successfully and the science mark has got added to the student with the student ID 137. In this demo, we have seen how to connect to a MongoDB Atlas Cluster from a Go application and then perform the find one and update compound operation. Compound operation means the MongoDB puts a lock on the document and ensures both find and update operations are performed together. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.